On Nissan 2000 what?
2004.
2004 and what is called
I don't know. Check it out on the back.
Extreme or whatever
On
it
the
is.
video, it's a Mercedes C24. First time we're gonna
It's
open.
on, it will be online. Come on.
Perfect.
So
I like that. C24. Mr. Karuki means we never opened this thing, so we're gonna learn together. This is the first time we're gonna see this station. He said he opened in another car. Maybe it's gonna be the same thing. He never
Yeah.
opened this kind of car.
that's Nissan, which I never opened it, but I know the
Oh, and he
publisher.
knows, but he never opened it.
Yeah, because I worked on different cars, so it's a 4x4 thing.
It's amazing.
So for this thing, you have to be careful. Now, this is the time. Okay, hold on.
Got enough?
Yeah. Has to be come out.
How? You know how?
Yeah. Still. This was 2004, I guess. Nissan Xterra SC 4x4, and we have to remove front wheel, this rotors, or this whatever you say. These are the one we are working on. Okay. So what we need is some tools and some expert skills, which is Mr. Rahul is working over here. He's the expert over here right now, and it's clean. So what we needed right now is hammer, magnet, pliers, lock plier, needle plier, screwdriver, Phillips, flat, and I think 14 millimeter, and Allen key for how much? 5 millimeter or 6 Allen key. Let's see. So what we have to do, that has to be open. There's the bearing sets, locking has to be taken out. Did it other side, so we are making this video over here. So it's supposed to become like this. Everything is out. This half has to be out, and then this plate come out, the rotor or disc. So it's like you have to hammer for that thing. Anyways, let's start again. So first we have to open this thing, and the lock we have to take it out. This ring has to be taken out, and the bunch of washers and everything we'll show you in procedure over there, and we'll find out how it can do. So you started over here. So first of all, we have to remove the brake caliper. And what should we do next? What we is a 14 millimeter for brake calipers, and we don't have. Okay, that's just lying over there. And what is 22 millimeter for opening the caliper bracket, and there's 2 bolts for that, right? Okay. That's how it came out, and this is where it come out. Okay, so that is the caliper bracket, and we start for 14 millimeter. Yes. We are not editing anything, we are just doing whatever it is, take time. Before doing anything, we just make a tools over here. So what is the stopped using it. It's T. Can we see? What is this? It's too shining. T40. Okay. T40 we are using, or we can use a L key or TL key style, which depend on. Okay, so this is the cap which came out. This is how it looks. So what we do now, we have to remove this clip, take it out completely out, and then it's a little jiggling and it will become out with little fight. It's take little more time because it's like making. This is for you. Or you can just unlock this thing first. Just leave that thing, you will make a more space. If you leave it that thing, we have to unlock this thing. So by just pushing like this, you have to unlock this thing. Clockwise or anti-clockwise, we'll move this thing because these are locked, so we have to move it like this. Anti-clockwise, no, by hand, little bit. Let's move. This came out like this. It's a locking system. You have to turn it completely. Yes, it's come out. It was easy to come out. No. What's not coming out? Yes, this is how it come out, and it's broke again. So turn it back. No, not like that. This washer has to be on this thing, so it has to be like that. So these are the bearings. Take it out with the magnet. That is much better. Take it out with the magnet. Okay. Then this is one more plate. We have to take it out with magnet or anything. Okay, there we have to move. This has to be moved. Let it move left, right, and let. Move like this. Now we have to take it out the lock, and then it will become back. Sorry, it's just little. It's much easier to get it locked out and then take it out this thing. Take a little jiggling now. We have a more space to get it. No needle plier, lock plier, go inside and take it out. In almost 5 minutes we are working on it, hardly 5 to 6 minutes, and I think it's take more 3 to 4 minutes to get it out, hopefully. That's a little tricky. So put it over there, That's it. Take it out. So okay, so use that other plier with it. and be careful. Okay, so one lock is out one side and the other side is going to be locked again, and then we have to take it out easily. It's like little bit one step and it goes, because we have a groove over there. Yeah, it's out now. So everything is out. Yes, coming out. Yes. Take it out. Put it over. Put it back. So this is out, and this has to be go like this. Yeah. So there's the one washer as well. So okay, this lock and groove have to be locked, right? You can see. What else? Okay, now we are looking to take it out. Phillips screws, and these two will be out. We need a magnet. Take it out. One more. Yeah, these two grooves has to be locked, and we have to rotate this thing. Anti-clockwise. It's coming out, and then it's a adjustment of the bearing, and when we are fixing back, we have to tie it up to it is free, okay, and they have no play in it. So that's only adjustments. Okay, so this is how it goes, and this is the threads inside. Now hub is out, so we have to be careful about the rear bearing and everything. Front bearing, they have a one front bearing and one rear bearing. So take it out the front bearing. Yes. Now we have to hit it hard. No, just keep it over here, angular position. Yes, that's it, and we have to hit it. No, just rubber hammer with it. This is what we have to do. You have to disengage this thing, take it out, that thing, with the rubber hammer. That is the best, or you can use a steel hammer. That's how you can make it a little loose, and it's coming out. Yeah, this is other way. So that's hub is completely out, rotor is out, so done. So procedure of fitting is just same backwards, and we'll update everything when we are doing. Okay, have a nice day. Putting back this thing, and this has to be go like this, and you might be confused for other side, but this is the right side to put it, because when you put it in, the bearings, everything goes in and it's come into shape, right? And did you turn it, that thing, because this goes more in?
What I mean?
That goes, they have a screws over here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
And you have to turn it more to get it, the wheel play, check the play.
It doesn't have any pin.
So it goes a little more, because just tight it more and then check.
What are you talking about? It doesn't move anything. Because it's tight already. You can tie it, just with your hand, that's it.
Yeah, but
over tie it.
Are you sure? Because it's coming up a little bit, so I think we go for 1 or 2 turn more. Can you check it, recheck it, please? And that's how we know how it goes. It's full tight. Okay, so this is how. Just a video. Don't do it. This thing that he's playing it right now. So he tied it, and that's how the
You can over tight it. Mention it. Over tight it, you're doing wrong.
Yeah,
You
so
can over tight it.
you cannot over tight this thing, and that's the thing. Before you can check it. And can you give it a play how it's, so you can check like this. So if you don't have a play, it's good. So everything is going back, and then after that we have to put a caliper bracket, and then calipers, brakes, pads, everything, and the screws. Don't forget that screws, you have to put it back. So this is most important to lock inner side. So after that you go further on steps. So it's like done. So I'll show you a little more details over here. So on the other side we have to put a little grease in it, and everything goes over here, right? And it's supposed, and the combination is come like this. Again, first bearing like this. I'll put it right now, and let's see what's going on. Put it like this. Okay, so this is play I was talking about. So if it's loose, it will make a problem. So this is the right time to grease it down as well. This is goes like this, and then step by step going back everything. So that washer, that locking plate, then this thing up, and these are like has to be, and finally the upper one. And before that you have to lock that thing and then put it like this, and after that you have to put it back, this hub cover, and I'll show you over there. So everything is done here. It's almost done. Everything lock is on its place. Grease is there, everything is there. So no play, nothing, everything is good. So we'll do something for that thing because it's broke when I came out. So let's see what we can do. Make it like that. Have a hard spring on it to lock it in, and when you take it out by pulling it, it breaks the complete lock. So you have to put it like this same, and then we'll pull with the screwdriver or something the spring little bit to get it adjust. That's it. Or maybe we'll take it out new one or something. I'm not sure right now. So it's like it's supposed to be like this. Lock has to be go up a little bit, and then it goes in. And when it's in, can we take it out this lock and we put it back? It is easy? Not easy, because it's like a locking spring. So I guess we have to take it out first, this thing. That's how it's not make a pressure. But now the spring is out. Hopefully it will be easy for us to make it space properly, fix it, goes inside and locked. Done. Boom. Just goes like this. Turn it on. That's it. That has to be locked. It's locked, kind of lock. That's it.